We all need to work together as a team. Everybody needs to be a little bit kinder to each other.
Alright, so what's up? It's Hunter out here in Tempe, Arizona. We're doing some shoots right now. Eat good, vitamins, get good antioxidants like blueberries, vegetables, vitamins, stay high. You can follow my stuff at Hunter Arizona with the _ afterwards. This is actually my merch right here. I haven't even dropped it yet. But yeah, man, we're just trying to do what we can.
Honestly, we're not heading in the right direction. We have a mask mandate and everything, and that should be a thing.
Breathe, number one. Dance it out and hydrate. My name is Lion King Paul. Lion, Rar, King. We're all kings. Paul McCartney. Lion King Paul on Instagram and TikTok. We do group hikes every sunrise on Wednesdays and Sundays up Camelback Mountain. We meet around 4:20 in the morning. If you guys want to join this amazing community, it's called Hike Street Adventures. Yeah, always looking to do outdoor adventure stuff with anyone that's in the Valley of Arizona. So.
I'm really inspired to show people when the gyms close and when things shut down that you can still do healthy things to help your mind reset, to stay positive, falling back into love with becoming your better self. New Fit You, that is NUFITU.
A lot of practice and learning light. It's not just about natural light. You want to be able to mix the lighting. With this guy here, this is a Pro Photo B10. It's a strobe. It's a mini strobe. You work with, you can overpower the sun, but it's not really overpowering the sun. You're basically matching the sun's power. So I can drop the skies to be blue and have my model lit up with the light.
Right on.
Look at it from a distance. Before you take a shot, any shot you take, that picture is there. It's just that you gotta be the one that actually bring it out.
Hey, you wanna go? And I was like, sure. And then I worked with her, so I was like, hey, go with me. And now we're here. Yep.